Bad reasons to get into a relationship. Do you feel that all of your relationships are perpetually going downhill, even though it is not your fault? You should stop to think whether you are getting into a relationship for the wrong reasons. Getting into a relationship for the wrong reasons may well entail a lot of heartache and potential future disaster. A common mistake is getting into a relationship because you are lonely. Many women hang on to their boyfriends out of a sheer fear of loneliness, even if their boyfriends don't treat them well, are abusive, immature and disrespectful. A lot of women think that a bad boyfriend is better than no boyfriend at all. This is, however, a route to potential future disaster and is best avoided. If you can see yourself approaching someone just to have someone to enjoy the weekend with, then reproach yourself, for this is a big mistake. Instead, get together with your single friends and spend time. A lot of people get into a relationship out of peer pressure. As more and more of your friends find boyfriends and they get deeper into their relationships, and some even get engaged, you may often feel sad or depressed as to why you are not able to experience the pleasure they do. You may often feel that there is something wrong with you if you are still single. There are even a few women who have an intense need to be like their friends, so they often get into a relationship with the first person they see. However, there is nothing wrong with being single. There are many people who are single and happy, so find yourself a hobby or something to engage yourself with. Another common reason for people to rush into relationships is that they feel that they are missing something, and often they think that it is a male presence. However, as they soon find out, a boyfriend rarely solves the problem. The empty space that they used to feel usually still remains. The presence of these empty feelings inside them may damage their relationship later on down the line. When they enter a relationship, the man will sooner or later detect these insecurities and he will not be likely to take the relationship further. As you can see, getting into relationships for the wrong reasons may damage your relationships later, causing many problems and a lot of heartache. When you do get into a relationship, do so not because you need to but because you want to. Getting into a relationship should never be done under any sort of compulsion.